Hi guys, welcome back to Learn Bake Create. Today I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers who have viewed my videos over the last couple of days. Today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot cake. You will need 100 grams of walnuts, 335 grams of light muscovado sugar, 100 grams of raisins or currants, 265 grams of self-raising flour, 230 millilitres of vegetable oil, 100 grams of natural yogurt, 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 eggs, and 265 grams of carrots, which is usually 3 large carrots. You will also need half of orange zest. Don't worry if you forget, I will put the recipe in the comments below. First, whisk oil, yogurt, eggs, vanilla extract, and orange zest into a large bowl or jug. Mix the self-raising flour, muscovado sugar, cinnamon and nutmeg into a separate bowl. Use your fingers to squeeze out any of the hard lumps of muscovado sugar. Next, mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Then add the walnuts, raisins and carrots and stir well. Finally, separate the mixture into 2 separate baking tins. Put the cake tins in the oven at gas mark 4 for 20 to 25 minutes. And here is the finished cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell below. Thank you, bye!